This is my 97 Ford Taurus SHO, 3.4 liter V8. I'm getting a code P1518, and it looks like the problem is, here you have this module which is related to it, and the wire that controls the valves, and as you can see, the cable is loose, and you can't see it, but at the end of the cable is a little thing shaped, this is the wire, and shaped like this, and I guess it attaches to something, and it does not attach to anything, so it's hanging loose, and I think that's probably what's causing the P1518 code to be given right now. So, put it back together, see if that fixes the problem.